Who told you? Wow, who needs to tell you you're smart? Okay, so we have -2, okay, as our vertical shift. -2. Okay. Okay. Isn't this interesting now? We have found our amplitude, our period, our phase shift, and our vertical shift. Okay. Well, now, you know what? I think it's time to graph a lot more. So, as you see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections that equal 2 pi each, right? Right. So, let me break it down. Wicka, 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 wow! Alright. We're phase shifting, okay? If you notice, this dot is fairly close to the origin, okay? Fairly close. Huh. Don't you think that's the dot that we're shifting by? And which number do you think is going to go here if we're shifting horizontally? Not vertically, horizontally. Which number do you think is going to go there? Yes, you're right. We will be having, here, let me pick a good color for you guys. We will have -10 pi over 3. Okay. Well, how are we supposed to find all these other ones? Ah, it's so confusing. Right? Well, don't be scared. It's easier than what you think. Okay? Now, we know that each of these are 2 pi over 1. Correct? Because it's the same as 2 pi. Well, say that we wanted to find this period, right? What would we do? Don't you think we would just add? Because each of these are showing how long it takes to get to the next dot we have. So we have 2 pi, right? And that's 2 pi over 1. So, how about this? I write it down, you guys listen, okay? Here, just for you guys, I'm going to write a square so we don't get confused with all these numbers, okay? So, we'll draw our gorgeous square right here, a little squiggle there. I'll just put a little, I'll just keep that there. Okay, so we have -10 pi over 3. So, -10 pi over 3. And we're plussing it with 2 over 1. So yeah, let's just plus it all over, right? No! That's not what we do. What we do is we have to make the denominators the same. If we're adding or subtracting, the denominators must be the same because we do not want to discriminate, as what my teacher says. So, put it this way. How do we get them to be the same, right? Well, let's see. 3 times 1. What can we do to equal 3? Oh wait, I said it when I was doing. So you know you're right. We could do times it by 3. So we could times this by 3. And we could times this by 3. And what did I just times? What's this? You're correct. The denominator and the numerator. So, you know, we're going to terminate this problem. Okay, so now that equals -10 pi over 3 plus 6 over 3. Now, what's if we have, say I owe you $10 and I say, oh, I'm so sorry, best friend. I don't have all the money, but I do have $6. Here you go. How much do I owe you? You're correct. I owe you $4. So now we have -4 pi over, what's our speed? 3. You see? So, we come back over here to our graph and we look at this. What could this number be? Yes, it's the next one in line. So we have -4 pi over 3. Have you guys noticed something yet? I'm just asking you guys if you guys have noticed anything. Because there's one thing that I like about this. There's just something that just glows about these, denominators. Right? They're both 3's. You know what? I want to do another one. Come on, let's go. So, I'm going to draw more for you guys. So, we have an imaginary box right here so we could draw and do our work. Because in mathematics, you must always do your work. I'm just going to draw this all out for us. It's in reservation for us. Because we're going to throw a party when we solve this. Okay, so, wow. We have -4 pi over 3. So, let's write that down. That's our new number, okay? So, -4 pi over 3. And what's 3? I know most of you guys probably forgot this. It's the speed, right? And now, if you notice, each of our gaps right here, dot to dot, each of our little, I'll call it mini periods, I don't know the real terminology, but that's how I look at it. They're like mini periods, because they are divided into fourths. Just think of it that way, You have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So, we're going to do the same thing that we did right here, 2 pi. Oh, you got me. It's 2 pi. Wow. Okay. Now, every mathematician makes a mistake, but it's about if you fix it or not. So, we're doing the same thing with 2 pi. So we have 2 pi, okay, plusing it, 2 pi over 1. Can you guys find out what that equals? Well, what do you need to do if you want to add or subtract? You're correct. Want the denominators to be the same. 3 and 3. So, 3 and 3. Okay, so now we have -4 pi over 3 plus 6 pi over 3. And what does that equal? Let's see. Oh, you know what, best friend again. I know I was going to tell you I paid back the $4, okay? And since I'm paying it back to you late, I'm actually going to give you $6. So how much are you going to have now? Yes, you'll have $2, okay? So that is equal to 2 pi, and it's over 3. Okay? So, let's go back. Well, now you have 2 pi over 3, right? Right here, 2 pi over 3. It's also another one of our speeds. Isn't this interesting? Well, you know what? I'm going to do one more and let you guys finish it off. What do you mean? Oh my god, I can't do it. I just watched the video. Well, you know what? I just showed you how to do it 2 times. I'm still going to show you a 3rd time. You're lucky I told you I was going to let you do this and finish this. You should be proud. So you know what? I'm going to do one more. Ready? So, pay attention. So, our new one is 2 pi over 3, right? So we have 2 pi over 3. And we're adding it with what again? How? You're correct! See, you're going to be able to do this one by yourself. Trust it. So, 2 pi, right? But it's 2 pi over 1, correct? So, now you have 2 pi over 1. What do you do now? Well, you just add it across, right? No! Because you can't do it because the plus sign. So, you have to multiply by 3. The what and the what again? Yes, the denominator and the numerator.